Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree haul. I'm super excited. I found more fall stuff and I am ready for fall. Let me know down in the comments if you're ready for fall. So first things first, look at that. It is football season. We just ended preseason, so I get to put this up right away. Almost bought two because I have double doors, so I thought maybe, but no, I'm going to make some type of wreath or something. So let's go ahead and get into everything else I got. And I know I've been promising you some DIYs, and they are coming. So let me show you what all I have here. First things first, I got this little trick or treat wooden cutout. That'll be for a DIY, believe it or not. Well, obviously, but maybe something you didn't expect. I grabbed two of these little water books, one for each of my grandchildren, and they've got a little brush there. And then inside, it's called a magic water brush, magic water book. And they've got these little pictures. And then when you add water to it, it colors. I don't have any water, otherwise I'd show you. It colors in these different areas. So I thought that was cute. I thought that would be a fun thing. And I wanted them both to play with it rather than argue over who wants to play. So 2 hours. They'll probably play with it for 5 minutes, but $2 for 5 minutes. That's all right, I guess. I also picked up a 4-pack of the foam dice. So I grabbed those. You guys have heard about all my candy jars filled with candy for the kids. So I found this one, Death by Candy. It is plastic, so this one will be front and center. And that's just cute for a candy bar. What else? They were really nice in wrapping these up for me. So let's see. It's like Christmas getting to unwrap these. This one. This is just, it says dream on it. And it's really cute. It's just a little guy that would sit on like a tiered tray. But I thought that was cute. It was the only one I saw. And it's like, it must be Dollar Tree's take on like a Ray Dunn, right? And let's see here. Oh yes, I love this color. So I grabbed a nice bowl for fall. So if you watch my DIYs and you're like, you haven't been DIYing in a while, I don't know what to DIY for like the summers and stuff like that, but you get me into fall and I'm all about it. I picked up some suction cups, and those are just to hold things more for organization. I also picked up these wax melts, luminescence, and to smell them here is delicious. They smell wonderful. This one is 2 different colors, if you could see the red and that brown color. So we've got caramel on one side and maple leaves on the other side. Of course, pick these little guys up for the remote controls. I also saw these. Now these are, I have, I have glasses somewhere, so I'm having a hard time reading them. But they're hand lettering. They're for hand lettering. We've got a thin, fine tip right here and then a chiseled tip here. So it comes with 2 pens. Thought I'd give that a try. I also needed paper straws, so I just picked out these little ones with some pineapple, well, palm trees on them. So I just need the straws though. For those of you who are following me on my Instagram or my TikTok, I am starting a business with my sister-in-law, and I will show you and tell you more about that very soon. I found these magnetic bookmarks, and I always have trouble going through my planner and having the month because I'm using a different planner that I'm used to. So I thought I would, well, it's not a problem finding the month as it is finding the month calendar as opposed to the weekly. So I thought I would put these on my monthly part of the calendar, and they're just so cute. I also picked up a face shield. You're like, what are you picking up a face shield for? You guys, if you have ever done, my hair's really curly, and so I get what's called a Brazilian blowout, and this goes on my face and helps the fumes not get all up in my eyes. So I'm looking here, and there's just so many cute things. I found the adhesive tiles, and I only needed one, so I just grabbed the rocks one, and I'm going to be using this to take pictures with. And so I always have my picture taking stuff right down there, so it's already put away. I also found the nail polish holder, and do you see that top right there? So this works great for holding a nail polish, right? But it also works good if you have a Cricut, because you can put this and hold it, and as you're weeding you just kind of stick it in there, and it's kind of like a little mini weeding trash can. And then when you're done, you grab all that extra vinyl and just throw it in the trash. Alright, I got this little guy. This says wash and dry, open 24 hours. And it is a little ironing board, and I just thought that would be really cute to put on my laundry room. I do not necessarily like the way it's hanging, so I will probably take it out and put it in the other way. Oh no, there we go. That's better. I just pulled it, so there we go. What else did I find? I'm trying to grab some of the stuff that you probably have seen already, but things that are new to me. Oh my goodness, so much that's new to me. I found this little grateful plate, and I love the fall colors. So like I said, fall DIYs, Halloween DIYs, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Valentine's. I'm all about those. So I also grabbed the big plate that goes with it that matches beautifully. And then I've got two more left, I think. And let me show you. They are my two favorites. And the first one is this guy. Family, Friends, and Football. Is that adorable? So I am so excited. It's still summer, but as soon as Labor Day is gone, all this stuff is coming out. And then my final piece, which I'm torn between this one and the one I'm about to show you. This is definitely a piece for a tiered tray. And this says, Autumn Leaves and Pumpkins Please. And look at that. And then it's got the balls there, and that would just be so cute on a tiered tray. So you know I have already been picking up some of the fall stuff as soon as it came out, and so hopefully I can get these fall DIYs out to you straight away. And I just have so much, and I am ready to go, and it's getting into my personal DIY time. So if you are not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And as always, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps my channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys again shortly. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!